Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling like?
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make vegetable spring roll at the comfort of your home with just little ingredients. Yes, very crunchy and delicious. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. First, I'll be adding vegetable oil to my frying pan. I'll be frying some onions in it for a minute. Once the onions is well fried, I'll go in with the peppers, the green and red pepper. Stir everything together, then season it with some seasoning cubes, salt, and I will add a little bit of dry pepper, the grounded dry pepper, just for it to be a little bit spicy. Ginger and garlic powder, curry powder, and thyme. So I'll add little water to it. Please make sure the water is not much. Then you stir it together before adding the cabbage, because the cabbage itself would produce its own water. After adding the cabbage, stir everything together until it's well incorporated before adding the carrot. Once you add the carrot, stir everything together and leave it to simmer for 2 minutes. Then you can check for the softness of the cabbage and carrot before adding the last ingredient, which is the spring onions. Then you keep stirring it till the water is dried up. But in case you don't want the water dried up, you can transfer it into the sieve for it to drain out excess water. Here the sauce is ready, and I'll be showing you how to perfectly wrap spring rolls. If you want to see how I made the paper, you can check the description box. The link will be available there. Get a paper, fill it with some sauce, not too much and not too small. Then you wrap it firmly twice. Fold from the left and fold from the right. Add little flour paste to the tip of the paper. Then you fold it firmly. Make sure it is firm. We can go again. Get the paper, add some sauce to it. Wrap it firmly twice. Fold from the left and fold from the right. Then add some flour paste to the tip of the paper. Then gently and firmly fold it till the end. I think if you go through the video 2-3 times, you'll be able to get it, because it is very simple and easy to do. So mind you, the flour paste is just mixture of flour and water, and it is going to tape the paper really well. You don't even need to add too much, but make sure you add enough to tape the paper at the tip. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. See you again in the next video. Bye.